Hi folks, Jay the RV Coach coming to you from the lot at Leisure Time Sales in Quispamsis with a look at a 2017 Jayco 32Bhds. This is a fresh unit to our lot. It's a beautiful pre-owned unit in great condition. Come on in and see it, folks. It really needs to be seen to be appreciated, but we're going to give you a quick look at it today. If you are towing this unit, you do have a power tongue jack on the front to make it nice and easy to get it on and off your unit, but certainly with a trailer of this size, you've got all kinds of room inside, so it's really brilliantly laid out for setup on a seasonal lot. Outside kitchen's got a full-size dorm fridge. You've got a slide-out cooktop there, as well as a plumb sink and some storage throughout. Walkable roof there with a ladder. We've got a door that leads right into the bathroom there. We'll show you that from the inside, but that's a nice convenient feature to have if you're at the campsite and you just want to pop in without having to go all the way through the trailer to use the washroom. It's certainly a nice feature to have. We'll head on into the inside here. You've got two slides in this coach. So again, a classic family bunk layout. On the big slide, you've got a U-shaped dinette with a nice drop-down table, jackknife couch, nice and comfortable, located adjacent to the entertainment center. Across from that, you've got the beautiful kitchen, little peninsula effect to the kitchen, all kinds of counter space and good storage below, storage above. 3-burner cooktop with an oven, microwave all plumbed in as well, conveniently located for ease of cooking in the kitchen. You've got a propane combo fridge and some pantry storage right next to that as well. Your entertainment center has storage below. You've got a Bluetooth Furion sound system built into this unit, as well as a Furion television, so you're able to flip that around to both sides if you want to have that on the inside. In the bedroom area, you can certainly do that. You can have it out here on the entertainment space as well. Take a look at the bunks here. As we go back on the right-hand side, there's some really well-appointed storage here. You've also got a washroom here. We pointed out that you can get into that from the outside of your campsite nice and easy. Foot flush toilet, good sized sink with a medicine cabinet above. Little RV tub there, and a skylight shower so you can get in there with some height to spare. In the bunk room, you've got the Jayco J-Cube system, so you can rearrange that a couple ways. Use it as a couch, use it as an additional bunk. It folds out too to make a double bed if you need it. You've got a flip-top bunk over top of that with a teddy bear finish to the mattress, nice and cozy. Little pocket there for some storage. On the other side, you've got an integrated ladder. Spot for a TV if you'd like to have that in there. Some storage there to the right. And another teddy bear finished mattress over top, and a nice big window here at the back to brighten things up, make this feel like a more cozy room. Take a look here with the slide out here on the left-hand side. You do have all kinds of floor space in this unit. Take a look at the main bedroom before we wrap up the tour. As I mentioned, you can flip the TV around to have it on the inside of the bedroom area. You've got pocket doors on either side, walk around queen bed, storage on either side, and some storage above. Plug system there on either side of the unit as well, so you can keep anything you want, CPAP machines, phones, that sort of thing, plugged in right next to the bed in a convenient location. Folks, this has been Jay the RV Coach bringing you a look at the 2017 Jayco 32Bhds here on the lot at Leisure Time Sales, and I'd like to remind you that from the showroom to the campground, I've got you covered.